Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melissa, for those of you who don't know. And for today's video, we're going to be testing out the Kelly Strack times Colourpop collaboration. So basically what happened was Colourpop picked a select few influencers, YouTubers, and basically they got to create their own bundle filled with 5 Colourpop products of their choice. So these are like their top products that they love. I love Kelly Strack. I've been watching her for about a year or so, and I really like her as a YouTuber, so I'm super excited to test out the products that she picked out. I did do a video like this in regards to Juicy Jazz's Colourpop collection. I'm going to link that in the eye above. But yeah, so before we jump into that portion of the video, I just want to ask you guys, if you do like what you see throughout the video, please consider giving this video a thumbs up. And then also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you will get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. And without further ado, let's get trying this stuff out, guys. Alright, so first things first, I just want to quickly shout out Kelly Strack. I don't know if she's going to be watching this, but I just want to say congratulations. I have been watching you for a year, and seriously, you're one of my favorite YouTubers to watch. I just want to quickly shout out Kelly Strack and say I'm so proud of you. This is amazing. I cannot wait to see what else you have in store, because I feel like you are really growing. I just can't wait to see what else you have in store. I feel like 2020 is just a year of growth, and I really see you growing with your YouTube channel, and I'm just really proud. So yeah, let's get to testing this stuff out. There is a card. So her theme is everyday essentials, and it says, "Hi babes, I'm so excited to share with you all my must-have Colourpop faves. My everyday glam bundle can be used for everyday looks, but also used to transition into full glam looks, perfect for a night out. I hope you guys love the bundle and use it to slay on the daily. Thank you for the endless support. You mean the world to me." And it just says XOXO Kelly Strack, and just a photo of her. So that is Kelly Strack. If you guys don't know who she is, I'll link her YouTube down below so you guys can check her out. But she is literally so sweet. I feel like she's I feel like I could be friends with her, because I feel like she's around my age, 27, and she's married, has a house, and all that stuff, but she just seems so fun, and I feel like would be a really good girlfriend. So I feel like whenever I watch her videos, it's just hanging out with a friend, which is awesome. First thing that she has in here is a liquid lip. This is in the shade Starling. Loves her nude lips. So, ooh, that is a very pretty color. So it's a very pretty nude color that you guys know I love my nude lipstick. So I'm super excited to test that out. Then there is a cream gel liner. This is in the shade Exit. Oh my gosh. I tried out Colourpop's liners for the first time in my Juicy Jazz video, and I love them. This one is a white liner, so that is what this looks like. I feel like white and nude kind of just really make your eyes pop, so I'm really excited to test that out. Then we have a Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Shadow. This is in the shade Flexitarian. I don't think I have this shade. I have one of their Shock Cheek products, but I don't think it's this shade, but that looks so pretty. I love that shade. That is going to be a very pretty highlight, and inner corner highlight and all that stuff. Going to be gorgeous. Then we have a blush. I actually have never tried a blush from Colourpop before. This is in the shade Between the Sheets. Ooh, that looks like such a pretty blush. I am obsessed. That looks gorgeous. Alright, so far I'm liking it. The last thing that we have is the Going Coconuts palette. So this is definitely different than the other Colourpop palette that I have. This one's like a hardcover, and you open it up. Oh, and you get a mirror. I like that. And then, ooh, yeah, these are my types of colors, just like the nudes. I feel like you can never go wrong with a nice nude palette. This palette is gorgeous. I feel like it's definitely wearable for daytime and nighttime looks, because during the day at work, I usually do opt for a very simple, I feel like I see this all the time, a very simple neutral eye look, and then just a nude lip as well. Coffee is my must-have now, especially in this Yeti. It keeps it warm for ever. Oh. So I think I want to do the eyes first and then move on to the rest of the face. The rest of my face is already done, as you guys could see. I already did prime my lids. I already did use my favorite color CoverGirl Lid Locket Primer. So of course, first what we're going to do is just set. So I'm going to take the shade Shredded, which is this shade right here, and then just put that all over my lid just to like set everything down. I really like how this one has a mirror. I feel like it's just so convenient, making it perfect for traveling. I'm going to start off, I think I'm going to take the shade Coolada, which is this shade right here. I'm going to take that on a Morphe M533. And I'm just going to run that into my crease. This is blending out really nicely. It's a little cool tone, but I like it. And I believe the palette or the bundle you can get until February 18th, which today is the 16th. By the time this is going to go up, I think it's going to be the 18th probably. So next I want to take the shade Shell Yeah, which is this really pretty mauve shade. And I want to concentrate that right in my crease. I'm going in very lightly, just right in my crease, really just going into the socket. And then to blend that out, you can just bring it down. That just adds a nice like touch of pink to the overall look. You guys can see I'm kind of blowing it out just a little bit. These colors are meshing so beautifully together. I think I want to take the shade Coco Crush, which is this middle shade, and I'm going to try it out with a brush first. Ooh, yeah, you could totally use a brush with this. Just packing that on my eye. Ooh, yeah, that is pigmented. I feel like wetting your brush, you may get a little bit better payoff, meaning it'll pop a little bit more, but even without wetting your brush, that looks gorgeous. Pretty. So I want to take the shade Palm Reader, which is like that really pretty white shade. I'm going to go in with my brush, hopefully the same exact brush, and I just want to pop that on like the inner portion of my eye, just to make that a little bit whiter. Oh my god, those two mix on top of each other. Beautiful. And I'm going to take that and just pop that on the inner corner. There is like a lot of fallout with the shade, so I would either recommend using a wet brush or doing your foundation first. So we are not done. We need to make this look just a little bit darker, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to take that shade Nutty, which is that really pretty shade, and ooh, that is pigmented. Go in with a little bit of it because that is pigmented. I'm just going to tap that at first just to place that color down and just slowly blend that out, just to add a little bit of depth to this eye look so it's not too light and just too glittery. We're going to do the lower lash line. So I'm going to take a flat brush and I'm going to go into that Nutty shade and press that against my lower lash line, going as close as I can. I like to start at the outer and then work my way in because I feel like all of the pigment will be more towards the outer part of the eye. I don't want the inner portion of my eye to be too dark. So I'm going to mix the shades Coolada and Shell Yeah, so these two shades are right here, and run that across my lower lash line just to buff that out. I'm just going to go into my Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner and just do a simple line. If you do want to make it like crazy, go ahead, do a wing and throw on some falsies. I've been loving more of like the natural eye look lately. I don't know why. So next I'm going to put on some mascara. I'm just going to go in with the It Lash Blowout. So it is a combination between It and Dry Bar, and I'm just going to throw this on my lashes. Alrighty, and then next we're going to use the Colourpop Bff Cream Gel Liner. This is in the white shade, which is the shade Exit. And if this is like super pigmented, I want to go ahead and try the, like, all of them because they're affordable. And if, like, this is as pigmented as the Honeydew, I think it's the Honeydew one, I'm gonna go ahead and need to try all of them. So, okay, I just did that and it's like super pigmented already. So let's see. Guys, look at that pigment. And I feel like I've said this before on my channel. Usually what I like to do is like pull my eye down and then like go in and do it. But with this, because I feel like when I do that, because I do have contacts in and I don't want the liner like getting in there, and I kind of go rough sometimes because not all of them are that pigmented. This, I don't even have to do, I don't even have to like go like that. Like I did that just gently grazing over. Like I wasn't applying a lot of pressure like I normally do, and I feel like that gave such pretty like color. I'm shook. That is so good. I feel like I want to try all of them now because it was that good. So next, let's go in with the Colourpop Between the Sheets Super Shock Cheek. And again, that is what the color looks like. I'm taking a Moda brush, literally my favorite blush brush. And let's see. I like to go in a little bit at first because I don't know how pigmented this is going to be, but oh, you can really build this up. That's pretty. That's nice. That is pretty. That's cute. That gives like a nice flush of color that I like. I like that color. It looks really cute. That literally just gave such a pretty flush to the skin. I really like that. All right. So next we have one of my favorite parts, the highlighter. So I have used their highlighters before. I really, really like them. Again, I don't think I have the shade Flexitarian, but it looks really pretty. And like they're just so soft. Like look at how gorgeous that is. That is beautiful. That is so stunning. So let's see. Yep, that is so pretty. Literally glowing. Or as Kelly would say, glowing to the gods. It is so pretty. I love highlight. Like, look at my nose. My nose looks snatched now. It looks so pretty. And then we just need a little I want to put this on the inner corner, actually. Yep. Do you see that difference? This looks so much more pigmented than this eye. Oh, that is gorgeous. Looks so pretty. I feel like a flat brush would be better for going under my brow compared to a fluffier brush. Yeah, there we go. I feel like it just looks better with a flat brush. I'm so glowy today. I love it. That looks so pretty. And then last but not least, we do have the lipstick. I'm not going to go in with a lip liner like I usually do. I just want to test this bad boy out and see how it works. So again, this is in the shade Starling. And this is a ultra blotted lip. That is such a pretty everyday color. That is such a pretty lip color. Oh my gosh. I feel like I am going to wear this color literally all of the time because it is so pretty. And I feel like that lipstick goes so well with this palette. Like it has like a little bit of warmth like this palette does, but it also has that little bit of cool undertone just like this palette does. So literally this is good. Okay, so let me spray my face with some matte Prep and Prime Fix Plus. This is the matte version. And let me zoom y'all out and just tell you guys my final thoughts and impressions. Alright guys, so let me just go like product by product and just tell you guys my thoughts and impressions on everything. So first, this highlighter, I feel like I'm just super glowy to the gods. I love it. I love Colourpop's highlighters. They're just really soft and they just give off this really beautiful color. Like I feel like this color is perfect. The blush color I really like. I feel like it just gives a nice flush to the face. I feel like this is great for that winter like ooh I'm cold, and then also for that summer like ooh I'm flushed, you know, kind of look. I feel like it's just a really pretty color. I really like that color on my skin. This lipstick, again, I feel like I will wear this every single day because it is beautiful. I love the tone of it. Not drying at all. It's not like sticky. I really like their ultra blotted lipsticks. I feel like they last a pretty long time and they just feel really comfortable on the lips. They're not going to make your lips feel super dry or like cracked or anything like that, which is great. The cream liner, y'all, if you have not tried this, you need to go ahead and try this out because this is bomb. I've tried 2 colors of this being my second one, and it is so good. It is so pigmented. You don't need a lot of pressure. I feel like I am blown away. Normally with like, let's say Urban Decay, I always have to go like this and just kind of like rub it in just to get that maximum super dark payoff. With this, I feel like I just have to glide it and it just goes perfectly. I'm super impressed, and I definitely want to pick up more colors of these because it is amazing. Now on it to the palette. First, I really think the palette is great for traveling. It is hard, does have that mirror, and then these colors are just great everyday colors. Again, you can create a nice like softer look like I did today, or you can really like blow it out and make it great for date night, girl night, whatever. It is just like, I really like this. I feel like you can create so many looks with this palette, and it's definitely great to travel with because when I travel, I like to travel light, and I like how this has a mirror. As you guys saw, like I literally just used this basically the whole entire time to do my whole entire makeup because having a mirror, having a palette that has a mirror in it just makes it so much easier. But overall, I really loved everything in this collection. Like, I give this collection 2 thumbs up. I just want to say congratulations again to Kelly because this is a bomb. I'm so excited for you. You are rocking it, and I'm really excited to see what else you have in store. Like, these products are great. Again, this is only my second Colourpop palette, and I'm actually pretty impressed. Like, their products have really impressed me. Congratulations to Kelly. Definitely give this collection 2 thumbs up. If you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, I'm going to leave the link down below. Again, it's only available until February 18th as a bundle, but you can still buy everything separate if you do want to do that. And she does have a discount code, which is just the code Kelly, and that will knock the price off from $40 to around like $34.95 or something like that. But yeah, that is it, guys. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. Please give this video 2 thumbs up if you did enjoy. Also, please do not forget to subscribe before you go so you could be part of the ATFB fam. ATFB, all things fashion and beauty, and if you hit the post notification bell, you can get notified of all my future uploads. I usually do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 p.m. EST. But that is it, guys. I will see you in a few days in my next video. Bye!